Here's a look at the dollar index, and the dollar has responded exactly as expected. We went up yesterday to about 93 or so, consolidated around this 93 level quite nicely, dipping back a little bit to a 92.95 or so, and still kind of just consolidating here beautifully right near the 50 and still riding these moving averages up. So as I mentioned, this level here on 92.95 right at this 20 period simple moving average, that was the key low that the prices could go, and I expected the price to maintain, which it has done. So right now what I'm expecting, I should say, is a continuing move up higher. So the keys to this is going to lie in the hourly time frame, and as you can see here, we've been gyrating between the two major moving averages here very nicely, and we are in about to make another push upwards here, so we're going to be looking at that move up to 93.40 as expected, and then ultimately extending up to that 93.60 area. Now from there, going to have to see if we can break above 93.60 is right near this 50 period moving average on the daily time frame. I expect what will happen is, instead of having let's say, okay, that's not working, let me just undo that. Instead of having this shoulder come up, well, it still might actually. I don't want to actually rule that out yet. So I'm kind of speaking a little too ahead of myself here. I still expect this head and shoulders pattern here, but it's just going to be a little bit more to the right. So instead of being so aggressive as I have it painted here, it looks to be more of a slope like this, and then maybe a move down like this. And then the neckline break will send the price going to the lows as I've been forecasting. So with a failure here around this 93.65 area, that should send the price rolling over. May battle around a little bit, but the key is going to be that hourly time frame. If you follow this hourly time frame, then you should be in good business here. Just delete that, as the price should respond like so. And then up, and then from here the 200 will be around here. Then we'll start gyrating along the 200 and then test, and then we'll have to see how that plays out. But this is exactly what I'm looking at right here. I think we'll just see the price continue to just grind its way higher from here. Now that we've consolidated at 93, we get that golden cross, then we'll be in business. But this is going to be the major resistance area, this trend line here, which, as you can see, was the trend line that we were following before we broke down and headed to those lows. So that's what I'm expecting here as far as the dollar is concerned.